Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So before we start exporting this to Twinmotion, I forgot to do this here. We're planning to add a plant box there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to ground, and then here we're gonna create that. So we're gonna create it using model in place and then generic model, and then it's just gonna be a simple extrusion, and then let's just change this to a concrete. Okay, so press OK, and then here we're just gonna add a simple box like that, align it on the stairs, and then after that use this rectangle and then put in an offset of probably 20 is good enough. Let's change it to 50. Okay, space bar to go with from the inside, and then here we could just click finish and look at it in 3D so that we can estimate the height. We're gonna put it somewhat this height is good. We're gonna put some grass at the top. So now we're just going back to the ground and then create, and then this will be grassed. And then another extrusion and just put it right there. Click finish and look at it at 3D again so that we could maximize and see the height. Somewhat that top is good enough, and then we can put the grass there. So I'm just gonna make it smaller. I don't feel like we need to make it too big like that, too wide. And then lastly, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a simple sweep, and then I'm gonna pick the path, the 3D path, which is going to be right there. It's just something to make it more, but to look it much better. Edit, and it's just simple thing at the top like that. And then let's just make the material different. Let's use this. Click finish and then finish. As you can see, just as simple like that, it will make our model look nicer. So now what we can do is we need to save this and then go to Twinmotion right here and then C in Twinmotion. Obviously, you need to put new project and then let it synthesize like that. And then you will need to go to our menu right here on the right side. So just click on the project, and then we just need to move this one up. So the starting ground needs actually to go down so that we can see everything that we created. So that looks good. Now we just need to add in materials. So first, ground. Let's go to nature. Maybe this combination will be good. And obviously we're just gonna leave it like that. And then we need to change materials. So you want to make sure to go to your burger menu, sign in. So once you're signed in, we'll be able to use uh, Twinmotion. And then here we need to add in some, let's see, some concrete. So we have this one, painted facade concrete. And then what we need to do first is to change and add in some sky dome, just the way the lighting is. So in sky dome, at least we'll be able to set the mood. Let's do cloudy. I want a low sound cloudy. Let's set one of this and drop it right there to change. So here it looks much better, and then we could just rotate it later on. I want to put it at the back so that it reflects at the back there. Something like that. And we just need to put something right here, and then we can intensify later on. So we're gonna do that later on, but right now we need to set different kinds of materials. Most of the time I do the glass first, which will be two-sided, opacity up, and then the color down. Okay, and then we have some stone. Um, we need to add some stones. We have beautiful stones surfaces right here. Let's do some polish. And if we have gray, let's try this one. And let's make it darker, grayish. And then we have some wood, plank. Let's try this wooden planks. I could use this one, not here, but over here. So I'm gonna use this. So this one looks nice right here. And I wanted to change the rotation. So 90, that will be good. And then here, let's see this. So reflection, I'm gonna put it up. I want to have this different. What I wanted is something concrete look, not painted but smooth. This concrete floor, maybe it's better right here. And then it needs to be carry over all also here. So concrete wall right here. Okay, and then we just need to making it darker. I just want to make it darker like that. This one we're gonna change this to a better wood plank. I like this one. This one looks nice as well. Let's try a different color. Okay, so this one looks nice. I can even add it right here on this side. Instead of reflection, I'm just gonna increase the scale. Let's try the others. No, this one's not. And then I would like to try this. No, the other one is much better. So this one is a varnish wooden floor, but we could add it here. I want the contrast from this. Let's see if we scale it, will it look good? So it doesn't. I'd rather just put this one. It looks like with a nicer feel. Much better. And then we're gonna, don't worry about that, we're gonna change that. So instead of here, let's put this one, this concrete as well. So we have concrete under there. And then in terms of the mullion, we need to darken the aluminum. There we go. Now everything is looking much better. So for that one, we need metal. So we're gonna put metal on that. This one, we need to change this. And here, um, another concrete but painted. I want to paint this, so our regular wall, into grayish as well. I might put some tiles here instead. So ceramic. There we go. I think that looks much better. Let's gray this out. And then here, we just need to let's put brown here and then gray right here. And then in terms of the wood, we need a veneer for that. And let's do ash. Let's see if ash is the right one. Most of the time, a darker, but the reflection, that's too dark. We could go to the Twinmotion. I think we have it here. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Scale it a bit. And then in terms of this color, obviously you want it dark, reflection, and good thing metal is already on. And then we could change this silver and then make it black. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.